If you're approaching retirement and looking for ways to fund it, you might be wondering how you can leverage your home equity. The good news is there are options available that could allow you to use your home's value to create a more secure financial future. Whether you're trying to access funds for everyday living or to invest in something more lucrative, understanding how to use home equity can be a game changer. Now, while home equity can be a great tool, it's essential to explore all your options thoroughly. For some, tapping into that equity could be the key to unlocking the retirement you've dreamed of. But before we dive into that, let me quickly mention something that might just be the best option for those looking to protect their wealth: gold IRAs. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are discovering how opening a gold IRA can help them preserve and grow their savings. Don't miss out on that guide. Now, back to home equity. To get started, the first thing you need to understand is the concept of home equity. This is the difference between the current market value of your home and what you owe on your mortgage. So, if your home is worth $300,000 and you owe $100,000, you have $200,000 in equity that you can potentially access. There are two main ways retirees tap into their home equity: a home equity loan or a home equity line of credit, HELOC. Both allow you to borrow against the value of your home, but they work a bit differently. A home equity loan gives you a lump sum, while a HELOC gives you a line of credit that you can draw from as needed, much like a credit card. Both options have their advantages, but let me be clear. While these might be convenient, they're not always the best solution for everyone. Now you might be wondering, what about other retirement funding options? Well, home equity loans are often marketed as a quick fix. But the thing is, with these types of loans, you're turning a valuable asset, your home, into debt that needs to be repaid. In the long run, this could actually hurt your financial security, especially if the housing market fluctuates or if you face unexpected medical expenses in retirement. That's where gold IRAs stand out as a better option. When you open a gold IRA, you're diversifying your retirement portfolio in a way that isn't dependent on the market or housing values. And the best part? Gold historically holds its value well over time, making it an ideal asset for wealth preservation, something you definitely want when you're retired. But back to home equity. If you do choose to go down that route, make sure you consider all the costs involved, including interest rates and fees. Many retirees opt for a reverse mortgage, which allows you to access your home equity without monthly payments. But be careful. Reverse mortgages can erode your home equity over time and may not leave much for your heirs. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, make sure you're weighing all your options. Sure, home equity can give you access to cash, but gold IRAs can provide a level of stability and growth potential that home equity simply can't. You're not taking on debt or risking your home. You're adding a strong, tangible asset to your retirement strategy. To put it simply, if you have $100,000 or more in your IRA, 401k, or even $5 million in savings, gold IRAs could be a perfect option for diversifying and safeguarding your wealth. If you're looking for more information on how to protect your assets during retirement, click the first link in the description for your free guide. Thousands of Americans are already discovering the power of gold IRAs, and it could be the step you need to secure your future. So, when it comes to using home equity to fund your retirement, it's definitely an option to consider. But before you do, make sure to weigh the pros and cons, and don't forget to check out gold IRAs as a safer, smarter way to protect and grow your wealth.